Welcome friends. My name is Captain S.K. Singhal. I joined Merchant Navy in 1976 as a cadet in T.S. Rajendra. During this long tenure of Merchant Navy, I have been associated with all facets of ship related, including MMD Surveyor, a faculty with T.S. Chanakya and Masa Institute. I have known Deepam Rastogi, who is the founder and director of CMG Maritime Academy. I have known him for 4 years and I have come to know about Mr. Deepam from the candidates who are appearing for their nautical grade examination in DG Shipping. Some of the candidates are staying in my hostel and I have heard and I have also seen the course which is being conducted is beneficial to those candidates, and the candidate when he is preparing, some of the aspects which are not clear to him gets fine tuned in this particular institute. And the Deepam also takes care of arranging experienced faculty for clearing various type of small doubts or any uh, doubts which come in the mind of the candidate, so that ultimately the candidates get benefited. I have personally seen my own son who could not appear for the examination when he completed the function course. Now, by attending this course in this academy, he immensely benefited and he attempted all papers in first attempt and passed all papers in first attempt. I wish Mr. Deepam a very good success in his endeavor, and I will continue to be associated with this institute for the benefit of candidates. Thank you, friends.
Hello everyone, this is Vivek Rastogi, Managing Director of Divine Ship Management, Marine Services Limited, R&D Marine as a Managing Director and Founder Member and Vice Chairman of International Maritime Federation. I know Mr. Deepam for last 3 years and his dedication and commitment towards his candidate and his never-ending desire to curve the best result in every passing attempt is unparalleled. CMG as an institution for me, the one of the best place and anyone who needs assistance and guidance in their examination process. I know at least more than 15 candidates through my own company who have cleared their pending examination after studying here in past years or so. I recently heard that to maintain continuity in studies and give students who are deprived of proper educational platform due to the current corona COVID-19 situations, CMG has come out with its online session. Uh, a great way, to provide an open learning program for all those who are stuck at home with minimum option to enhance their knowledge. I heard by Bish, Mr. Deepam and his efficient team, good luck with all their presence and future endure, and hope that many more of you can be a part of knowledge oriented program conducted by his institution in times to come. Thank you guys, thank you so much to showing this gratitude and selecting me one of the guests of honor on this event of yours. Really too glad to share my experience and feeling about this institution with you all. Take care, goodbye. Take care, with home, stay home, safe home, and all of you, bye-bye.
Hi, I am Captain Shashank Sharma, founder of Collar Camp Services Private Limited. we provide accommodation to corporates, seafarers, and their families across Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. I know Mr. Deepam Rastogi and CMG for over 3 years now. Who else other than a seafarer knows the value of time? Time is money. When we come home, we are giving examinations for our competency certificates, and it's very critical that we go through these examinations as soon as possible. I should clearly mark CMG and Mr. Deepam Rastogi for their success rate. The passing results of the candidates through CMG is actually the success story of the CMG through their innovative teaching skills. I really like the idea and the way how CMG, the execution is being done by the faculty over CMG. Too good. Keep the good work on. Thank you, Mr. Deepam. Thank you, CMG, for giving me the opportunity to speak on this platform. All the very best. Thank you.